Good morning, students. So before proceeding to the next topic, let's just quickly recap our previous tags. So in the previous video, we had learned about the table tag that is used to arrange your data in the form of rows and columns. Then, to enhance the looks of our table, we had learned about its attribute. So first we had learned about border, which is used to apply the borders to your table. Then the next one is border color, where you can change the color of your border of the table. Then we had learned about the cell padding and cell spacing. Cell spacing is the spacing between two cells, and then cell padding is the spacing between the border of the cell and the text of the cell. Then we had learned about align attribute. Using it, you can align your table to the left, right, or center of your web page. Now let's learn about the new topic, that is base font tag. It is used to define the basic size for the font. It is used with the attribute size. The value of size determines the document's base font size, and its values can be from 1 to 7. This tag is used to change the basic setting of the text for your web page, and it belongs to the category of empty tags. But nowadays, base font tag is not in use. So for the better replacement of that, we got font tag. It is applicable on the block of statement. It is used to change the size, color, and style of the text segment. It is used for changing the appearance of your text. Let's talk about the first attribute, size. It is used to change the size of a text segment. It is used to increase or decrease the size of your text. As you can see in the image, all the three lines are appearing with a different font size. To apply the size attribute of the font tag, let's just see what is the by default text size first. So I'm writing a text. By default, text size, so that we can see the difference between both. I'm using a break tag here, BR tag. Then I'm using the font tag. And then its attribute, size, and I'm taking the size value as 6. And then I'm typing my text width, font size 6. And then let's close this font tag. Save your program and refresh your web page, and you can see the difference. This is the size of the by default text, and this is the size after applying the size attribute of the font tag. The second attribute is color attribute. Using this attribute, you can change the color of your text segment. So as you can see in the image, all the three lines are appearing in the different colors. The value of the color is defined as the color name, as I had took blue, red, and green colors for my text. To use the color attribute, you just need to simply use that attribute in the font tag, like I'm using color is equals to, in the double quotes write the name of the color, like blue or red or any other color name that you want to use. After this, just save your program and refresh your web page to see the changes. As you can see, now the text is appearing in blue color. In the similar way, the third attribute of the font tag is face attribute. Using face attribute, you can change the style of your text. And the value of face is defined as the font style name. So you can apply the different font style in this, like Calibri or Arial and any other font. Now let's learn about how to apply the face attribute. First, just type this face, must leave a space over here, and then is equals to, in the double quotes, type the font style name like Arial, Algerian or any other font style that you want to apply. After that, just save your program and refresh your web page. But before refreshing, just have a look what is the earlier font style. So now let's see the changes after applying the Arial font. Can you see the changes? This is the text in the Arial font now.